Hubei Vanbol Auto Parts Technology Company Limited. Though through trials and hardships, we remain true to our original aspiration. Vanbol Technology sets sail with dreams. Vanbol Technology and Boltron filters cover a total area of 80,000 square meters. The building area is 48,000 square meters. Vanbol Technology is a professional production enterprise of auto spare parts, which integrates research and development, production, sales with the rights of exportation. It's mainly in charge of the research and development and production of electric fuel injection pump and assembly for automotives and motorcycles, as well as all kinds of oil filters, fuel filters, and air filters. Technical advantages have been turned into market advantages, since high-quality products come from advanced production equipment and a good production environment. At present, Vanbol has more than 200 kinds of advanced production equipment and more than 30 automatic assembly lines. Its key equipments and instruments are imported from Germany, Japan, and Korea, etc. It has passed IATF 16949-2016 and high-tech enterprise certifications successively. Currently, the company has more than 20 kinds of famous brands. Among them, Rika, Diesel, Vanbol, Mahastone, etc. have occupied a major market share of the Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Vanbol Technology will present a more high-spirited attitude to stand in the forest of high-end technology enterprises in China, to compose the enterprise legend with wisdom.